Keely, and today I am unboxing Mel's Chemistry. What? So Mel Chemistry is a website and an app that if you subscribe to it, they will send you boxes of chemistry sets for you to do at home every month. So it's hands-on learning. You get 1 to 3 sets per month at your house, and it also has accompanying lesson plans on the website that go along with it. It's just really phenomenal, and the app is so cool because on the app they have 3D molecules of reagents that you can look at. They also have experiment videos, and they have a science news section where you can read science articles. And their Instagram is also pretty cool because they post experiments all the time. I'm pretty sure they post 1 a day. And it's just a great way for hands-on learning, and I'm really excited to unbox my Mel Chemistry box. So if you subscribe to the boxes, the first box you get is going to come with a Mel Chemistry kit. Now this starter kit is going to have all the things you need for all your future experiments. So don't lose the contents of this kit. This is really important, and this has got a lot of really cool stuff in it. I can't wait to tell you everything that's inside of it. And then I got also the Mel Chemistry VR headset to use with their app. So they send you a cardboard like VR for your phone so that you can look at the molecules and the reagents and the experiments in 3D right in front of you. And then I got my 2 experiments, which I'm really excited about. I can't wait to try them. So my first one here is called The Chemistry of Monsters, and it has the experiment of a sugar snake and burning sugar. So in the picture right here is the burning sugar experiment, and it'll have everything I need to make this experiment happen. And I also got this kit, which is called the 10 kit, and it comes with 10 dendrite and a 10 hedgehog, and the 10 hedgehog is the one that is pictured on the kit. What I'm really excited to share with you is the starter kit. Everything inside of the starter kit is so cool. I feel like a scientist. But the coolest thing to me, maybe this isn't a good thing, is all the warning labels. Like, there are 75 warning labels within the contents of my box, and it just makes me feel like I'm doing something with science, and I love the feeling. So in the kit, you're going to get a pamphlet, which is going to talk about how you use the app, how to use safety, and for parents, what you can do to help your kids so that no one gets hurt. And it's really great. Make sure you actually read it. So inside, I've got some pretty cool things. I've got a tray, and I'm not going to show you everything in here, but they do give you safety glasses. Safety glasses. And you get 2 pairs, so you and your buddy over here can both wear a pair of safety glasses. So this is my stuffed animal, Hank Green, and we're both wearing our safety glasses. Perfect. And then also, it comes with a lot of like beakers and funnels and measuring cups, and that's great. It comes with a stand for your smartphone so that while you're looking at experiments, you can use the app so you can stand your smartphone up. It comes with syringes, and it also comes with this, which I think is so cool. So it comes with a macro lens for your smartphone that you clip on your phone. So you see, you just clip it on your phone. It's got a little cap on it not to damage the lens. But it's a macro lens, so you can take pictures and videos of the science experiments from Mel's Chemistry. I just thought that was a really cool touch they did that. I really appreciate that. It's really cool. So I'm actually going to read you the box that everything comes in. So with your starter kit, you will be receiving a plastic tray, a flame diffuser, a stove, 2 cork hot pads for your stove, 50 plastic cups, 2 syringes, a glass beaker and a glass flask, a funnel, safety glasses, 2 pairs, 1 for you and a friend, a smartphone stand, 3 rubber stoppers, and a macro lens for your smartphone. So the really cool thing is that they give you the starter kit, and then when you get a kit in the mail, so this is what you would normally be receiving every other box, and it tells you exactly what you're going to need. So for my 10 kit, I'm going to need the plastic tray, the safety glasses, the smartphone macro clip, and the smartphone stand. So they give you everything in here, and they give you these. So I'm going to open up one of these just to show you what it looks like on the inside. And oh Oh, look at this packaging, how cute it is. Okay, I love packaging. It says Welcome Science in many languages. I haven't counted how many languages it is, but if you can see that, it's probably at least 100. I mean, it's crazy. And then inside, you get this. You get the little science cards. These science cards are so cool, and I'm going to tell you why. This is the coolest idea. So, cards are so cool because they come with a little QR code on the back. So on your app, you're going to scan it, and it's going to pop up things that go along with the experiment. How cool is that? That is awesome. So you guys scan your QR code, which comes on your little, and it also tells you like instructions and how to do things. So awesome. So, and it also tells you what to do. You've got to set up your stand, and all of your reagents will have QR codes as well. So it's awesome. I think this is a great way for hands-on learning, and I'm really excited. So be sure to check out Mel Chemistry, and also be sure to keep coming back to Bringing Smart back, because I will be doing videos of these experiments showing you exactly how they work and how awesome they are, and I'm really excited. So hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching, and go science! Quick disclaimer, I am not sponsored by Mel Chemistry, although that would be really cool. I just absolutely love their project and their vision with this, and I think it's awesome, and I'm really excited to try it. So.